Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to convert text to column in Microsoft Excel. So by using the text to column feature of Microsoft Excel, we can then separate one whole text and then have them in separate columns. Now let's try. So first, we're going to open Microsoft Excel and input our data. So as you can see here in my worksheet, I have names in here in the last name column. So what I want is to separate the names. So I want the first name to be in this column and then the middle initial to be in this column. And we can do that by using the text to column feature in Microsoft Excel. So first, we need to highlight the text or the values we want to separate. So from A4 up until to A8. Click Data and then click Text to Column. So the moment we click Text to Column, this dialog box will appear. So what we have to choose here is limited. And then as you can see here, we have the preview of our selected data. So we can see how our text is being separated in real time. And then after that, we click Next. So after that, we have this another dialog box. So in this section, we can see the delimiters. So we use this as reference in separating our text. So as we remember in our data, the last name and the first name are being separated with a comma, and then the first name and the middle initial were separated by a space. So that's what we choose as limiter. So we click tab, we click comma, we click space, and if there are other symbols that you want to be used as a reference, then just click other and then input your text here. So after that, we're satisfied with our separation as you can see here in the data preview. Then we can proceed to click finish. So as you can see in here, we already have separated the data. So last name in this column, in the A column. In the B column, we have the first names. And in the C column, we have the middle initial, just like what we wanted. Here is a short demo of what we did. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button for more. See you in the next video.